Which animal is depicted as potentially preying on Arctic hare? A. Grasses. B. Hawk. C. Muskox. D. Caribou. The correct answer is B. Hawk. What is located in the center of the central lowlands? A. Great Barrier Reef. B. River Murray. C. South Australia. D. Artesian Well. The correct answer is D. Artesian Well. In which direction do tropical cyclones rotate in the southern hemisphere? A. Clockwise. B. Both clockwise and anti-clockwise. C. Anti-clockwise. D. Randomly. The correct answer is A. Clockwise. The text mentions two reasons. What is one of them about? A. The benefits of hydroelectric power. B. Emissions from wind turbines. C. The efficiency of solar panels. D. The cost of renewable energy. The correct answer is B. Emissions from wind turbines. What is one of the most feared weather phenomena mentioned for its destructive potential? A. Cyclonic precipitation. B. Blizzard. C. Drought. D. Heat wave. The correct answer is A. Cyclonic precipitation. Which country is the largest producer of dates in the world among the listed countries? A. Malaysia. B. Iran. C. Thailand. D. India. The correct answer is B. Iran. What effect does oxidation have on rocks? A. It hardens them. B. It strengthens them. C. It polishes them. D. It weakens them. The correct answer is D. It weakens them. What is the primary function of the Three Gorges Dam? A. Flood control. B. Irrigation. C. Power generation. D. Navigation. The correct answer is C. Power generation. What constructive effect do volcanic materials have on soil? A. They acidify the soil. B. They decrease soil density. C. They enrich soil fertility. D. They increase soil erosion. The correct answer is C. They enrich soil fertility. What type of forces produce slow movements that break rocks apart? A. Endogenic forces. B. Tectonic forces. C. Seismic forces. D. Exogenic forces. The correct answer is D. Exogenic forces. The text mentions a specific number of sinkholes in which state? A. Illinois. B. Kentucky. C. Florida. D. Missouri. The correct answer is A. Illinois. What happens when two continental plates converge and neither can be forced under the other? A. Folds may be created. B. Volcanoes are formed. C. Trenches are created. D. Faults occur. The correct answer is A. Folds may be created. Up to what elevation are thorn forests found in Tamil Nadu? A. 100 meters. B. 200 meters. C. 400 meters. D. 600 meters. The correct answer is C. 400 meters. What is an example of a localized resource? A. Air. B. Minerals. C. Open oceanic resources. D. Sunlight. The correct answer is B. Minerals. What is matched with the private sector? A. Judicial sector. B. Bajaji Auto. C. Capital. D. TV telecasts. The correct answer is A. Judicial sector. What natural resources are mentioned as receding and needing an inexhaustible alternative? A. Soil and seeds. B. Sun's energy and water. C. Coal and petrol. D. Wind and solar power. The correct answer is C. Coal and petrol. What is used in making electrical batteries? A. Manganese. B. Copper. C. Iron. D. Aluminum. The correct answer is A. Manganese. What is the approximate elevation of Mount Kosciuszko? A. 2,500 meters. Born in 2230 m. Circa 2800 m. D. 2000 meters. The correct answer is born in 2230 m. What percentage of the total mass of the solar system is accounted for by the sun? A. 99.8%. B. 75%. C. 50%. D. 100%. The correct answer is A. 99.8%. Which of the following is not listed as an inner or terrestrial planet in the text? A. Jupiter. B. Mars. C. Venus. D. Mercury. The correct answer is A. Jupiter. Which type of media is described as the most common and powerful means of communication, falling under print media? A. Television. B. Radio. C. Newspapers. D. Internet. The correct answer is C. Newspapers. Which section asks to explain the effects of volcanoes? A. 4. B. 7. C. 5. D. 6. The correct answer is A. 4. How valuable and important are rocks to the economy? A. Not very valuable. B. Slightly valuable. C. Highly valuable. D. Moderately valuable. The correct answer is C. Highly valuable. What is the path in which planets move around the sun? A. Equator. B. Orbit. C. Axis. D. Galaxy. The correct answer is B. Orbit. What are the two types of intrusive igneous rocks? A. Plutonic and hypabyzal rocks. B. Metamorphic and igneous rocks. C. Plutonic and volcanic rocks. D. Hypabyzal and sedimentary rocks. The correct answer is A. Plutonic and hypabyzal rocks. Which of the following places is a famous religious spot in Tamil Nadu? A. Kodaikanal Hill Station. B. Amritsar. C. Varanasi. D. Rameswaram. The correct answer is D. Rameswaram. What is listed as a climate component for tourism? A. Caves. B. Coral reefs. C. Tides and waves. D. Admirable temperature. The correct answer is D. Admirable temperature. Which of the following trees is mentioned as being found in the described region? A. Pine. B. Rubber. C. Oak. D. Maple. The correct answer is B. Rubber. What is the typical forward overlap percentage between photos in airborne photography? A. 10 to 20%. B. 40 to 50%. C. 60%. D. 20 to 40%. The correct answer is C, 60%. What is the longest river among the peninsular rivers? A. Godavari, B. Narmada, C. Mahandi, D. Krishna. The correct answer is A. Godavari. How did you score?